How to find interface style settings on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find interface style on SoundCloud mobile. First then open SoundCloud and then click library here, and now click on your profile in top corner and then click settings, and here you will find interface style. Click on it. And now if you want to change it, all you need to do is just select anything you want here, like light, and as you see interface style have been changed, and you can turn it back. Just click system default. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.